Greetings to you all, beautiful soul. Another style is here. Let's quickly learn together. What is on my hand is Ankara fabric, okay? 1.25 yards of Ankara fabric. So you can actually use 1 yard, you can use 1.5 yards, you can use a choke, 4 layers, 3 layers for this style. Alright, so you see the way I squeeze it to the back down, then that side that I touched on my chest, I'm going to use it to cover the upper part of the head. Alright, so the measurement, if actually to measure, is 20/80, but at times you just use your discretion. Alright, so bringing everything to the front this way, I twisted it. Watch closely what I'm doing. I twisted it and formed a little V on my front. Then this short part now, I opened that middle and tuck in everything there. Alright, I hope you're watching. Please pay attention to my hand. This side is very simple, very easy, very quick. Alright, so you see that middle part now. We are coming to work on that later. Let's work on this long part now. Alright, so you can see spreading it out, and I flipped everything to the back. Then I raised it up from the upper part. Holding it from the edge, I started bringing it down. Watch my hand closely. I started bringing it down. Then I brought everything from this edge down. Then I used my office pin. Watch closely. I pick the office pin, then use it to fasten it, pin it down to the base of that head wrap. Okay, watch closely what I am doing. Okay, so that side now I have secured it. So this side now I started squeezing it. Watch my hand closely. Watch closely. So I started squeezing it and bringing the edges down. I started squeezing. I'm going to continue this process until I will tuck it in at the back. So I drag it up a little bit, thereby forming the height that I want. Okay, watch closely. I squeeze everything. Then watch what I'm going to do now. I took everything to the back, then twisted it. I twisted it a little bit, then tuck it in. I've secured the base of that head wrap like that. We are almost done now. What is left is for us to close the back and then adjust the head wrap, and we are good to go. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so that middle now, the back, bring the excesses down. Watch closely. I bring the excesses, I bring it up. Okay, then I use office pin and pin it down there. Alright, so our head wrap is ready. What is left now is for me to adjust it, and we're good to go. So the person you're hearing her voice, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, my video, is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well. I am begging you to drop your like, drop your comment, share my videos. If actually you are learning something good, share it. Let others also benefit from it. Share my video, and please don't forget to hit that subscription button. It doesn't take anything out for you to subscribe. It's just press the button and you're good to go. So you can see that is what the back look like, that is what the side look like, and this is the front now. So as I said, Demi Igele Empire on YouTube, Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so it is time to dance. Let's rock it out. The Owambe is ready. Dance, dance, dance. See you in my next video.